And back at home, President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Keith Duncan, is warning that the local business environment could deteriorate in the coming weeks due to the war raging in Ukraine. Global crude oil prices surged to more than $110 per barrel, and the cost of natural gas skyrocketed to a new record in Europe today. Speaking with our news center today, Mr. Duncan said the continued spike in oil prices will have a negative impact on local businesses. He said local businesses are in for a rough ride as they are powerless to stop the expected increase in operational costs.
The prices, inclusive of oil, which has hit a high of over $110, will definitely create more difficult business conditions, as we expect that inflation, it will have a negative impact on inflation, and prices of goods and services will increase. And that will also have a negative impact on possibly interest rates, as the central bank could move to increase interest rates again to contain inflation. So it's overall, globally, it's going to be very tough for business internationally. And in the domestic economy, it's going to create more difficult business conditions for us all.
Mr. Duncan says he's hoping that a hike in interest rates will slow down the price increases to consumers.
Demand and supply, and the increase in the interest rates will have a slowing effect on the economy and decrease demand. So that will have a dampening effect on the ability to increase prices. Also, a lot of the price increases are driven by external factors, supply side constraints, and now the huge increase in oil prices. So there's very little that business can do because their cost sides are being significantly impacted by external factors.